Hi everyone, now Friday and we planning to go to the kimchi restaurant with Shaira. I need pick up Shaira near Jollibee. We can meet near Jollibee. This is Jollibee main gate. Shaira take jeepney from Mabalacat to main gate. Hi Shaira, how are you? Good? So we're going to kimchi restaurant right now. Good weather today. Don't have rain. Do you know already after renovation is Jollibee? Good? Are you never been before? Okay. Shaira run. It means she hungry. It's she faster. It means Shaira, I know you hungry, yes? Okay, let's go another side. Don't have cars. Yeah. If Shaira hungry, she always too faster. Kimchi restaurant, popular restaurant and not expensive. Where we can sit? Here. Okay, last table. This table is better. For me, Shaira, for me kimbap. Yeah, only kimbap. No, I don't want it. Okay, menu. I will show menu. Menu already not. Cheese kimbap, 100 is kimbap, regular kimbap. What you want, Shaira?
Maybe I want also. Maybe we can take some kimbap and egg.
Okay, kimbap and egg and half. Or you will eat all? Okay. If you can eat all, I can eat at home. Nighttime better for me, not so much.
What we gonna order?
No, kimbap?
Kimbap, one egg.
No, 2 kimbap, 1 egg. Oh, it's okay?
Dalawang regular kimbap. Tapos sa
Jirabjin, it's mean egg. Steam egg, yes. Please not say to not so salty, not so salty. No, less, not so much salt. Normal, but not so much. Yeah. Because sometimes I put salt in the down, not mix. Okay. Always the same. You see, this is kimchi restaurant. Not so many people now. Time now 9 p.m. This is cheap foods here. Already have kimbap, regular kimbap for 100 peso. This is side dishes is free side dishes. But if you eat already side dishes, Shaira, we can ask two times, only 2 times. But of course for me not need.
That's for one.
That's all. Everything for Shaira, even coffee she can eat for double. It's for you or everything. And this one you need to drink all. Joke only. Okay, we waiting only Jiramjin. Jiramjin in Korean language is steam egg. Soon I will speak in Korean language. This is Jiramjin, steam egg.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Sige po,
It's for me?
Да.
So many. Thank you. You try Shaira how it's good or not? Because sometimes they forgot to mix salt and maybe it's so salty or not salty. Hot, yes? Good? Okay. Shaira said da. Shaira always speak in Russian language. Da, it means yes in Russian language.
Да.
Always speak Russian language. But I not speak Russian language in home. Just Shaira only talk. Already finished and we're going to home now. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Choking. Not so many people, but full parking already here.